Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video is on this blonde wig. So I will be showing you guys how I go from pretty much start to finish with this wig. It started off looking very wiggish, but I was able to fix it and show you guys a couple styles. So this is how the hair came packaged. It came in, nice little box, whatever. It comes with a wig cap, their information, social media, comes with elastic band and some clips. So this is the wig. It looks very like synthetic and wiggish, but it is human hair, so I was able to work with it. So I'm just putting the wig on here, and it was at this very moment I was like, oh my god, a lot of work to do. But I'm showing you guys how it looks before I customize it or, cut the lace off. So went ahead and cut the lace off, and I will be applying a very thin layer of my Ghost Bond adhesive. So I'm just putting it like in spots, rubbing it in, and then putting my wig on top. I wasn't doing too much because I was doing other wigs after this. So that's all I'm doing here, and y'all, I am getting sick, so my voice sounds horrible. And then went ahead, tied it up for about 5 minutes and took it off, and it looks like this. Looks really good. You definitely can use some got to be glue free spray if you don't want to use any adhesive or whatever. That'll be cool and work out the same. So I'm taking this edge wax stick that I received from RPG show, and this one is bomb. You guys know I usually use my Amber J stick, but this one doesn't get like as greasy as that one, so I really like that one. So this is the way how the wig came with the middle part. I'm showing you guys. It's curly, got a middle part, the back still looks cool, looks like that, but it was still kind of wiggish. So I went ahead and tried to push it over to do a side part. So that's what I'm doing here, taking my hot comb, pressing it over until I can get me a side part that looks a little better. So just repeating the steps all over my wax stick, then my hot comb. Alright, and here I'm just taking some of my concealer, putting that on a part, and then taking my razor comb and taking down those little sideburns so it won't look so wiggish. And then I'm just going to make like some small little baby hair. You guys know I like my baby hair, so I'm just adding just a little bit, and I take my got to be glue free spray and spray it on my finger and then put it on my hair, and that way the spray isn't going everywhere, making like all of my edges of my frontal whatever be crunchy. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just creating some small little baby hairs to make it look more realistic and not so wiggish. Okay, and then the last step, I just take my hot comb and press that at the top to try to get that little hump look like that. So this was really cute. It was starting to grow on me. I was starting to feel it and feel myself with the side part, with it still curly because it looks really good and, cute curly. So that's how it looks curly. I really like it like that. But I wanted to straighten it and show you guys how it looks like that. So I'm just taking my flat irons. They're Olaxer. I got them from an Amazon-based company. They sent me. I'll leave that link down below, like my favorite flat irons. But I don't think they sell this kind anymore. So I'll just leave their Amazon shop link down below so you guys can check them out. So I'm just straightening my hair, and as you can see, it's really easy to straighten. It's straightened like almost with one stroke, but I'm going over top of it again, and this is how it looks one side curly. So which one do you like, curly or straight? You guys tell me in the comment section which one you like better. I like straight, like whoo baby. I wasn't ready myself, and I knew it was coming, but I wasn't ready. It looks so good straight to me. But when I was on Instagram and I was asking a lot of people, they kept saying curly. So what do you guys think? Do you like it curled, or do you like it more straight? That straight, sleek look is just doing something to me. I think it looks so good. But y'all let me know. And the blonde looked good too. Like this color was perfect with the dark roots. So then for the last style, I'm trying a half up, half down. Just pulling that up on the sides. And then just make me like a little bun pretty much, because it's still a bob, so I had a lot of like flyaways. So I'm just gonna twirl that around and create a bun. Y'all, I could not find my big thing of hairpins, so I'm like trying to make it work with one rubber band and one hairpin, and I did. So this is what it looks like. You guys let me know which one you like best. The curly, the straight, or the half up, half down. I'm loving the straight side part. And definitely click the link down below so you guys can purchase this bomb blonde wig because it's very affordable. It's a bob, and as you can see, I did this straight out of the box. All right, guys, I love you, and until next time, see ya.